Hey guys, this is Grace about tutoring, and today we're going to be looking at this probability question. So it's from the self-specimen paper 1. So there's no calculator, so keep that in mind. We're going to have a go at this. So it's a 5-mark question. I'm just going to write that down. 5 marks, so it should take us around 5 minutes, maybe a little bit more. We're going to try and do it quickly. So let A and B be events such that the probability of A happening is 1/2. The probability of B happening is 0.4. The probability of A or B happening is 0.6. We need to find the probability of A given B is happening. Well, we know from our formula the probability of A given B, so now formula booklet, is the probability of A and B over the probability of B. Now we already know the probability of B that's given to us. We need to know what is the probability of A and B equal to. Well, we can't just multiply those together because that would be the assumption that they're independent. However, given that we're trying to find A given B, we can probably assume that they aren't independent, otherwise A given B would just be A. So let's have a look. Probability of A and B. Well, we know that the probability of A or B happening is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. Now, this is an application of something called the principle of exclusion and inclusion, which is a high-level idea. However, this is given to you in the formula book, so you don't have to memorize this. But yeah, it's just an interesting fact. So let's just fill in some numbers here. The probability of A and or B is 0.6. That's equal to probability of A 0.5 plus the probability of B 0.4 minus probability of A and B. So that's going to mean that probability of A and B happening is going to be 0.3. 0.3. So now we just plug that in. So the probability of A given B is 0.3 divided by probability of B is 0.4. And then I usually like doing this in fractions, so that would be 3 over 10 divided by 4 over 10, so that's just going to be 3 over 4. I guess here you can just multiply everything by 10. 3 over 4, 0.75. There we go, that's the final answer. So it's not too bad of a question. Probability, I guess, it's not one of the harder topics, I wouldn't say, but once you're familiar with the formulas and when you need to know them, when you need to use them and all of that, then it's not terrible. But yeah, you just need to know a couple of these, especially conditional probability is a bit of a harder topic, but it's doable. And again, as always, if you feel like you need a bit more tutoring, a bit more help to prepare, exams are coming up in about 3 weeks, so it might be nice to have a tutor for the next couple of weeks just to make sure you're all ready. Feel free to head over to Think Squad Tutoring. You can grab a tutor there, set up the lessons. Obviously, right now with exams, it will make sense to, if you're in year 13, the last IB year 2, makes the most sense to do a couple of intensive weeks. But if you're in year 12, IB year 1, and you're thinking of maybe just doing some sort of revision to keep up with your studies, then IB Think Smart Tutoring is a great company. Obviously, it's not just maths, we do other subjects as well, sciences, economics, history, but of course head over to our website, the link is in the description, and I'll be making more of these videos, so have a nice day and I'll see you guys soon.